One of these 30 deals is just for you. When you find it, its link will be in the description. The Neutri Bullet Juicer, now $60 down from $110, offers efficient and convenient juicing. With dual speeds, it handles both soft and hard fruits and vegetables, ensuring maximum juice extraction. The no-drip spout prevents spills, and the 27-ounce sealing pitcher lets you store fresh juice for up to 48 hours. Perfect for make-ahead, grab-and-go convenience. The Ninja Food Processor BN601, now $80 down from $120, features a powerful 1,000 peak watt motor that handles tough ingredients with ease. It offers 4 Auto IQ intelligent preset programs for chopping, slicing, pureeing, and dough making. The 9-cup bowl is perfect for large batches, making it ideal for family meals, meal prep, and entertaining, saving you time in the kitchen. Remember, all links to these Black Friday deals are in the description below. The Staub's Ceramic Baking Dish, now $50 down from $71, combines elegance and practicality. Its porcelain finish matches Staub's cast iron cookware for a coordinated look on your table. Safe for use in the oven, broiler, up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, microwave, and dishwasher. This versatile dish offers convenience and durability for all your baking and serving needs. The Camn Stein 20-jar revolving spice rack, now $20 down from $30, offers easy access to spices with its rotating design. The jars have clear labels for quick identification and removable shaker disc caps for easy dispensing. Additionally, the central caddy provides space for storing kitchen tools, making it a convenient and organized addition to your kitchen. The Belicious Pro Vacuum Sealer Machine, now $100 down from $230, offers 8-in-1 automatic sealing functions with easy one-button operation. It includes sealing options for various ingredients, as well as external and manual modes to suit different needs. This versatile machine is perfect for preserving food and keeping items fresh for longer periods. The Nespresso Virtual Pop Plus Espresso Machine, now $126, was $180. Offers a stylish and vibrant design with a range of bold colors to match your taste. It features 5 cup sizes, from espresso to alto and cold brew, providing versatility for all coffee preferences. Simply insert your VirtuoPod, press a button, and enjoy a delicious brew in moments. The Calphalon premiered NonStick Mineral Shield 12-piece cookware set, now $300, down from $400, features advanced Mineral Shield non-stick technology, making it 5x more durable than previous Calphalon classic cookware. These hard anodized pots and pans provide long-lasting performance, ensuring effortless food release. This set allows you to cook with confidence, even with delicate foods, for an easy and reliable cooking experience. The Cuisinart Large Spin Stop Salad Spinner, now $17, was $25, makes washing and drying salad greens, fruits, and vegetables easy. Its 5 quarts capacity features an easy-to-use spin knob and stop button for efficient spinning. The non-skid base ensures stability, and the clear base doubles as a serving bowl. It securely locks to prevent spills, adding convenience to meal prep. The KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener, now $12, was $15. Features a durable stainless steel cutting wheel that easily pierces and slices through cans. Its large, easy-to-turn knob ensures a secure grip for effortless use. Designed for comfort and control, this can opener provides a simple and safe experience, making it a reliable kitchen tool for everyday tasks. The Clad HA1 hard anodized non-stick fry pan set, now $120, was $210. Includes an 8-inch pan, 10-inch pan with lid, and 12-inch pan with lid. Made from heavy-gauge aluminum and a stainless steel base, these pans deliver even heat for consistent cooking. The high-quality PTFE non-stick surface ensures easy food release, while the tempered glass lids offer easy viewing and the double-riveted handles provide a secure grip. The Powerlix Milk Frother Whisk Foam Maker, now $16, was $30, is a portable handheld device designed for creating frothy milk. Its soft-touch handle ensures comfort during use, while the dual-spring spiral whisk is made of durable, food-safe stainless steel. This frother is built to last, resistant to rust and breakage, making it perfect for frothing milk at home. The Instant Pot Pro 8 quarts, 10-in-1 pressure cooker, now $150, was $190. offers a variety of cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, sautéing, rice cooking, sterilizing, yogurt making, food warming, cake baking, and steaming. It features a premium cookware-grade inner pot with stay-cool silicone handles, allowing stovetop use. With 5 programmable settings and 28 program options, it's perfect for creating a variety of meals. The Dash Multimaker Mini Waffle Maker, now $28 was $30, offers 6 4-inch removable plates, allowing you to make mini unicorn, classic, and dinosaur-shaped waffles. It also functions as a small griddle, ideal for cooking eggs, sausages, and burgers. With a built-in indicator light and easy-to-use handle, this compact appliance ensures a safe and fun cooking experience for the whole family. The Ninja Air Fryer AF101, now $80 was $90, allows you to enjoy guilt-free meals with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying. It features a temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for versatile cooking, from gently removing moisture to crisping food quickly with convection heat. The 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket fits 2 pounds of French fries, perfect for family meals. The Corot 10-piece silicone cooking utensils set, now $25 was $100, features durable, flexible silicone heads that resist stains and won't absorb odors or flavors. These silicone heads are also designed not to chip or crack. The set includes solid wood handles, shaped for superior comfort and control, making it a reliable and comfortable choice for cooking. The FullStar vegetable chopper, now $30 was $50, is a popular kitchen tool known for its ease of use and time-saving design. Perfect for meal prep, it chops, slices, and dices vegetables like a pro. With heavy-duty, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades, it quickly dices potatoes, tomatoes, carrots, and more, helping you prepare healthy meals in no time. The Rubbermade Brilliance BPA-free food storage containers, now $32 was $40, are 100% leak-proof and airtight, ensuring your food stays fresh and secure. Made from crystal-clear, BPA-free Triton plastic, these containers offer 360-degree clarity. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and stain and odor-resistant, keeping them looking new while allowing you to easily see what's inside. The Hamilton Beach 2 Slice Toaster, now $18 was $23, features 2 extra-wide slots, making it easy to toast thicker breads like bagels and Texas toast. With its brushed stainless steel design, it ensures durable performance and a stylish look in your kitchen. This toaster delivers perfect, evenly toasted bread every time, ideal for meals or snacks. The NutriBullet Ultra Deluxe Single-Serve Blender, now $90 was $120, improves upon the original with increased wattage and more durable blades for better performance. It features an intuitive illuminated interface for ease of use and a sleek, modern design. This blender is perfect for quick and efficient single-serve smoothies, shakes, and other blends, offering a powerful, user-friendly experience. The Brita 6-Cup Denali water pitcher dispenser is now $20 was $25. It helps you enjoy cleaner, great-tasting tap water, using a Brita standard filter to reduce chlorine taste and odor. The pitcher is made without BPA and is certified to reduce harmful impurities like copper, cadmium, and mercury, making it a healthier choice for everyday hydration. The Thermoproo Twin Temp Spike Wireless Meat Thermometer, now $100 was $180, allows you to check both ambient and meat temperatures directly on the booster display, with no app required. Its backlit LCD ensures clear visibility, even in low light. Color-coded probes simplify tracking different meats, and the Temp Spike app provides alerts, cooking stats, and preset temperatures for precise results. The MilkF Immersion 5-in-1 Blender, now $35 was $90, is a versatile kitchen tool designed for various tasks. MilkF specializes in small kitchen appliances, including coffee grinders, immersion mixers, food choppers, portable juicers, and meat grinders. This blender combines multiple functions, making it an efficient and space-saving addition to your kitchen, perfect for everyday cooking needs. The Henkel's Graphite Self-Sharpening Block Set, now $280 was $946, offers great savings of $667. This 14-piece set features self-sharpening slots with ceramic honing wheels that automatically sharpen your knives. It includes a 3-inch paring knife, an 8-inch chef's knife, kitchen shears, and 6 steak knives, providing all the essential tools for various cooking tasks. The Keurig K-Express single-serve K-Cup pod coffee maker is now $60, down from $90. It increases the strength and boldness of your coffee for a richer taste. The 42 ounces removable reservoir lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling. With an 8 ounces cup size, it makes delicious coffee in just minutes, offering a quick and easy brewing experience. The Zwilling Infiny Digital Kitchen Food Scale, now $39 down from $65, features a sleek cordless design with touch controls and a hidden display when off. It includes a tare function for easy measuring and offers accuracy to 0.1 ounces per gram. The scale has a rechargeable battery that can be powered via a micro USB cord, ensuring convenience and reliability. The Stasher Silicone Reusable Food Storage Bags, now $8 down from $14, come in a set of 2 in clear and aqua colors. Made from platinum food-grade silicone, they feature a leak-free pinch lock seal and are freed from harmful chemicals like BPA, BPS, and phthalates. Each bag replaces 260 single-use plastic bags annually and is safe for the dishwasher, microwave, and oven, up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. The KitchenAid 12-piece hard anodized ceramic non-stick cookware set is now $160, down from $200. Made from hard anodized aluminum, it offers excellent heat conduction and durability. The set features thick, forged bases for long-lasting performance. Its ceramic non-stick interior is easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFAs, BPA, lead, and cadmium, ensuring safe cooking. The Crock-Pot 4.5 quarts slow cooker is now priced at $20, down from $25. With its 4.5 quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for 5 or more people, making it ideal for family dinners or meal prep. The slow cooker features a modern design that fits well with any kitchen style, offering both convenience and functionality. The Chefman electric kettle, now $23 down from $28, features a 1500 watts power output, heating 1.8 liters of water in just 3 minutes. Ideal for tea, coffee, and hot drinks. It includes automatic shutoff and boil-dry protection for safe use. The cordless design allows for easy serving, and blue LED lights indicate heating progress, turning off once the water boils. The Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 is a wonderful appliance, now on sale for $80 from $120. With a 5-quart capacity and 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air, it creates crispy, low-oil meals. Its non-stick basket holds up to 4 pounds of fries or 5 pounds of wings, with functions for air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate for healthier cooking. That brings us to the end of this video on the best Black Friday kitchen deals of 2024. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top to get more such videos. Also, do share your thoughts in the comments section below.